Basically, I'm standing at the door. This is how big it is.
All right, it's like literally 4 in the morning. The kids both woke up. I don't know why, it's not even like a time change. They both woke up and like we just don't want to sit here until like a decent hour and leave. So we're packing up and leaving. We're gonna head to my aunt's house for the day and hang out with her. She lives in Houston. And then probably later we'll drive to our next stop, which is just right out. It's kind of like halfway in between Houston and El Paso. So that's where we're staying tonight. But we're loading up the car and just getting in and going. And it's so cold outside. I don't even know what happened. It's so cold. I told him what time it was.
Yeah, the kids are up, so we're gonna take off early.
We're going.
All right. Woo! 6.5 hours later, we are in Canyon Lake, Texas. So far, we have fallen in love with this entire community.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And wait till you see where we're staying.
Canyon Lake, Texas, look it up. It is actually, we're only like an hour outside of San Antonio, but it is really, really cool. So this is our Zen Cabin.
Okay, we're gonna go check it out. It's super cute. So here's the front porch. Let's see. OMG, I love it. There's Nick. So cute.
Cozy, right here. Come upstairs.
Take our shoesies off, okay?
Let's take our shoesies off. Oh my gosh.
Do you see?
This is exactly what we would have done.
This is what we would have built.
This is the exact same structure.
Exactly what we wanted to build and do it ourselves. Okay, so we got the kitchen. We get to make spaghetti. Here's the bathroom. Toilet, awesome shower. Is this not the cutest?
This is so cool. This is what we wanted to do, but on her parents' property in Dahlonega, Georgia. But we were gonna get a 40-footer, and we were gonna have both sides with lofts, exactly
You
like
know,
that.
this makes me feel like we could have done it.
Look at this awesome kitchen. There's so much space. There's so much space.
And we got, oh, there's not, it's a good stairs too. Okay, so here's upstairs. And a cute, cute little bed. Cozy, you be so careful up here, okay? Cute. I don't want to, it's very cute, huh? You want to climb up and see? Honey, I love this so much. I love this so much. So much.
Get down, Mommy.
Okay, you be so careful, okay?
This is glue down LVT, and then this is like a laminate.
I'm gonna go pee-pee.
She needs to go pee-pee. Daddy, you want to help her?
Come on, let's go to the new bathroom.
It's the new potty.
Come on, watch out, that's hot. Don't break anything.
Hi, baby. Do you love it? This is just the coolest. I'm so excited to sleep here. I wish we were staying here longer. So we'll put a link down to where we're staying when we post the video, so you can check it out too. She has a lot of different properties that she rents out, and I can see them. There's a couple cabins.
There's a lot. She has trailers, she has cabins, she's got bigger buildings, houses.
This makes me want to live in a tiny house. I'm so excited. Guys, we're gonna make spaghetti in our tiny house.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Mommy, my car.
There's a pen right here. Give Daddy a pen.
Mommy, my car.
Holy moly. There are so many. Look at this.
Okay, let Daddy do it. And you can sign your name too, okay?
My turn.
We're gonna make some spaghetti and go to sleep, take showers, and we'll see you guys in the morning when we wake up and head out. Yummy spaghetti. you doing?
Me too, Mommy.
Are you a cowboy?
Yeah.
You're a cowboy? Say yeehaw!
Yeah.
Good morning from the Zen Cabin. Last night was good. They slept good. He only got up twice. And we made French toast and had eggs. And we all got to shower. So we're happy. Now we're just gonna pack up and leave. Isn't it so cute? So cute.
Basically, I'm standing at the door. This is how big it is. Couch that turns into a bed. Closet. Closet. Kitchen, bathroom is underneath.
It had Wi-Fi.
Has Wi-Fi, heaters, air conditioning, king size bed up there, fans. It has everything you need. This is our favorite Airbnb yet.
We'll put the link below. Okay guys, that's my house. We're building it one day. Right there. Love it. Okay, it's the morning of the next day. So we drove all day yesterday and now we're in Fort Stockton, Texas. And we're just here in a hotel. They didn't have any cool Airbnbs because it's pretty much the middle of nowhere. And today's Sunday, so we are going to go to church. We found a local meeting house here for our church and that's where we're gonna go this morning. We're probably only gonna go for sacrament because we have to check out of the hotel, go to church, and be on the road and try and make it to my sister's house by the time she gets back from church. So we're just getting ready, getting dressed, cleaning up the hotel room, and we gotta be there by 10 a.m. And then, let's see, we have a we got a 3.5 hour drive till my sister's house. So that should be a pretty easy drive because we're usually doing like 6 hours a day. So we're excited for the 3 hour. So we can't check into our Airbnb until tomorrow. So we're staying at my sister's house for the night. And she has a little casita in her backyard. You guys are just crazy. They're not letting me do anything. They're sick of traveling. All right, so we're gonna head off to church. Wish us luck.
Thank you. This is how we travel full time and still have groceries. That's not our. We bought an awesome cooler from Walmart. That's what it looks like. Only 15 bucks. We've had this for the last 5 months. It's thick, very, very sturdy, and it has handles.
All right, we're here. Let's go to church, kids. Okay? Are you gonna go to nursery? Yeah, that's what I thought. Jay, I'm going to nursery. But we're only staying for sacrament. And then we're hitting the road. All right, you ready to go to church? Let's go.
We just got done at church in Fort Stockton, Texas. It was a really small branch. We love going to church.
And now we're going to go. We're gonna drive 3 hours.
We got 3 hours until we are at Jill's house in El Paso, Texas. That's been a long drive.
We're almost there.
But Fort Stockton, if you ever look at it on map, it ain't bad.
It's really not.
They have an awesome park. It's probably our most favorite park so far that we've seen in the entire US.
Except for Storybook in South Dakota.